Hello girls and boys, welcome to Blackboard Techniques. In this class, we'll be solving 7th problem in exercise 2.2. If you check out the playlist in English, you'll be able to find out all the previous example problems and exercise problems with solutions. The video link is in the description. Do check it out. It should be helpful for you. Now we can see the question. Find the greatest number consisting of 6 digits, which is exactly divisible by 24, 15, 36. Find the greatest number consisting of 6 digit. What the greatest number which has 6 digit? In general, this 9,99,999, right? 6 digit, 6, 2, 4, 6. This is the greatest 6 digit number. Okay. What we have to find out? Find the greatest number consisting of 6 digits, which is exactly divisible by 24, 15, 36. This question seems somewhat tricky, but if you understand the concept, you can solve this problem easily. What we are going to do is, we are going to find out LCM of these 3 numbers first. First step is, you have to find out the LCM of 24, 15, 36, right? After that, you'll be getting one number, right? LCM. And you have to check how many times that LCM is fitting into this greatest 6 digit number. Okay, that is the second step. First step is, you have to find out the LCM. Second step is, how many times that LCM is fitting into this greatest number. And finally, you have to find out the actual number. Okay, now we can see the solution. For the solution, we have to write the given numbers in the question. What is given in the question? 24, 15, 36. First step is, you have to find out LCM of these 3 numbers, right? So, I am going to find out LCM of these 3 numbers together, like 24, 15, 36. First, you have to take number 2 as a prime factor. Whatever number is getting divided by that 2 completely, you can do it. If this 15 will not get divided by 2 completely, right? So that you can leave that number as it is, like 15 itself. 24 and 36 will get divided by 2 completely, right? So you can do that only. You can leave this. After that, in next step, you can do that. Okay, you can divide that number by corresponding prime factors. Like, first I am taking number 2. 1, 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. And this 15 will not get divided by 2 completely. So I'm leaving as it is. And now 36. 1, 3 is 3. And remainder is 1, 16. If I am dividing 16 by 2, I'll be getting 8, right? 8 2s are 16. Now again I am taking 2. 6 2s are 12, 15. I code it. So I am writing as 15. And now 2. If I am dividing 18 by 2, 9, right? I'll be getting, the question is 9. And now I can try with 3. So 2 into 3, 6. 5 into 3, 15. 3 into 3, 9. Again I am taking 3. 5. Then 1 3 is 3. Again I am taking 2. 1 2 is 2. 5 1. And 5 here. 1 1, 1. Our goal is, we have to reach the stage in which we have to get every number as 1. Finally, we got 1, 1, 1 here, right? So, these are all the factors of, prime factors of 24, 15 and 36. Okay. Then how we can write LCM? No. Prime factors of 24, 15, 30, 36 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 5. Two into 2 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 5. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 3, 12. 12 into 3, 36. 36 into 2, 36 into 2, 72, right? 72. 72 into 5, 36. 360. We have gotten the LCM as 360. This is the LCM value of these three numbers. This is the first step. Okay, first step is you have to find out the LCM, and then in second step you are going to find out how many times this 360 is fitting into the greatest 6-digit number. What is greatest 6-digit number? 6 times 9 will be coming, right? 2, 2, 2. 9,99,999. How many times 360 is fitting into this big number? For that, what we have to do is we have to divide this number by this number. Okay, this 9,99,999 divided by 360. Okay, next, first step is you have to find out LCM. First step, LCM. Second step, how many times LCM is fitting into? How many times 360 LCM is fitting into 99999. And third one is find out actual number. We have completed first step and we have gotten the value of LCM as 360. Now we are going to find out how many times this LCM is fitting into this greatest number. So for that, what we have to do, we have to divide 9,99,999 divided by 360. Okay. If you are using calculator for this division, you will be getting 2,777.75. You can check with this with a calculator. Okay, you will be getting this number 2,777. And we have to take the round number, which we can leave this decimal parts. So I can take 2,777. 2,777 times this 360 is fitting into this number. Okay, and now finally we are going to find out actual number. For finding actual number, what we have to do is we have to multiply this number into 360. Third point is actual numbers, right? For finding the actual number, you have to multiply 2,777 into 360. What is the question here? We have to find out the greatest number which has 6 digits that should divisible by 24, 15, 36, right? For that we are using 3 steps. We are following 3 steps. First step is LCM. And next is how many times this LCM is fitting into particular greatest number. And finally, we need to find out the actual number. Okay, that's what we are using, following all these steps. If you are multiplying 2,777 into 360, 0, 6 into 7, 42. right? 4 is here. 6 into 7, 42. 42 plus 4, 46. Again 4. Then 6 into 7, 44. 44 plus 4, 6 into 7, 42, right? 42 in plus 4, 46. Again 4. 6 into 2, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. And then 3 into 7. 3 into 7, 21. Remaining 2. 3 into 7, 21. 21 plus 2, 23. Again 2. 7 into 3, 21. 21 plus 2, 23. Again 2. Then 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Now 0, 2, 6 plus 1, 7. 6 plus 3, 9. 6 plus 3, 9. 8 plus 1, 9. This is the answer. How much? 9,99,720. This is the greatest number which has 6 digits, right? 2, 2, 2. 6 digit. It will be divisible by 24, 15, 36 without leaving the remainder. Okay. This is the answer of 7th problem in exercise 2.2. For solving this problem, you have to follow 3 steps. You have to understand the question properly. Then only you can solve this problem. 3 steps we are going to follow for solving this problem. We have to find out the LCM of particular numbers which is given in the question, and how many times it is fitting into the greatest number, and finally we have to find out the actual numbers, right? This is all about 7th problem in exercise 2.2. I hope this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends, hit like button and subscribe to the channel Blackboard Techniques for more updates. We'll see you in another video. Until then, Shiny signing off.